Welcome to today's exploration of a groundbreaking innovation in internet connectivity, a journey into why Starlink is emerging as a superior alternative to traditional broadband, particularly in sectors that have long been underserved by conventional networks. In this discussion, we'll uncover the unique advantages of Starlink, examine the sectors where its impact is most profound, and identify who stands to benefit the most from its revolutionary approach. As we dive into the narrative, we'll explore the evolution of internet technology, the challenges of legacy broadband systems, and how Starlink's cutting-edge satellite network is reshaping the digital landscape for millions around the globe. Traditional broadband, for many years, has been the backbone of our digital communication, providing connectivity through wired networks like DSL, cable, and fiber optic systems. However, while these systems have enabled rapid advancements in urban and suburban areas, they have also exposed critical limitations, chief among them being geographic constraints, infrastructure costs, and inconsistent service quality in remote and rural regions. Many communities face challenges such as slow speeds, unreliable connections, and high installation costs when trying to access high-speed internet. These challenges not only affect daily life but also hinder economic development, education, and innovation, leaving a significant portion of the global population at a disadvantage. Enter Starlink, the ambitious project by SpaceX that leverages a constellation of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites to provide high-speed internet connectivity across even the most remote corners of the planet. Unlike traditional broadband, which depends on extensive terrestrial infrastructure, Starlink's innovative approach involves launching thousands of small satellites into orbit, each working in concert to beam internet signals directly to user terminals on the ground. This system dramatically reduces the distance that data must travel compared to geostationary satellites, resulting in lower latency and higher speeds that are critical for modern applications, from video conferencing and online education to real-time gaming and streaming services. At its core, the technical brilliance of Starlink lies in its ability to deliver near-fiber speeds without the need for costly underground cables or expansive land-based installations. The satellites, orbiting at altitudes between 340 kilometers and 1,200 kilometers, operate in a dynamic network that continuously optimizes signal paths, thereby reducing the delays typically associated with satellite communications. This agility not only makes the service highly resilient but also ensures that users experience a level of responsiveness that rivals, and in some cases surpasses, traditional broadband. For those in areas where laying cables is impractical or prohibitively expensive, Starlink represents a beacon of hope, a technology that can leapfrog decades of infrastructure limitations and open up a world of possibilities. When we consider the sectors that benefit most from Starlink's capabilities, a vivid picture emerges of enhanced connectivity in areas where it has been most critically needed. Rural and remote communities are perhaps the most obvious beneficiaries. For residents in these areas, reliable internet access can mean the difference between isolation and opportunity. Farmers can harness precision agriculture techniques, small businesses can tap into global markets, and students can access educational resources that were previously out of reach. Beyond the rural divide, sectors such as emergency response and disaster recovery have also found a reliable ally in Starlink. In times of crisis, whether natural disasters or infrastructural failures, rapid deployment of a resilient internet network is vital for coordinating rescue efforts and providing timely information to affected populations. Moreover, the maritime and aviation industries are beginning to reap the benefits of Starlink's global reach. Imagine a vessel navigating the vast oceans or an aircraft traversing remote air routes. Traditional broadband simply cannot provide consistent coverage in these contexts. With Starlink, however, the connectivity becomes as boundless as the horizons these travelers face. This enhanced connectivity is not only a boon for operational efficiency but also for safety, as real-time data sharing and communication are critical in high-stakes environments. Additionally, research stations in polar regions and remote scientific outposts can now maintain seamless communications with the outside world, ensuring that advancements in science and technology continue unabated, regardless of location. But who exactly should consider switching to or adopting Starlink? The answer is as diverse as the potential applications of the service. For rural residents and small business owners in remote areas, Starlink offers an immediate upgrade over unreliable or non-existent broadband options. Digital nomads and adventurers who crave connectivity on the go will appreciate the portability and global coverage that Starlink promises. Even larger organizations, such as government agencies and emergency management teams, can leverage Starlink's flexible deployment to ensure robust communication networks during critical moments. In essence, anyone who has ever been frustrated by slow, spotty internet service, be it for work, education, or leisure, should take note of this transformative technology. The advantages of Starlink extend beyond mere connectivity. One of its most compelling benefits is the democratization of internet access. In many parts of the world, economic and geographic barriers have long prevented communities from accessing high-speed internet, a gap that exacerbates social and economic disparities. Starlink's satellite-based system bypasses these traditional hurdles, enabling even the most isolated regions to connect to the global digital economy. This democratization fosters not only improved quality of life but also catalyzes innovation in areas such as telemedicine, remote learning, and e-commerce. By providing an affordable and efficient solution, Starlink is playing a pivotal role in bridging the digital divide and fostering a more inclusive digital future. In addition to its transformative impact on underserved areas, Starlink is also proving to be a game-changer in terms of technological evolution and scalability. The continuous launch of new satellites means that the network is constantly growing and improving, promising even greater speeds, lower latency, and enhanced reliability in the years to come. The technology's inherent scalability makes it an ideal solution for future-proofing connectivity in a world that is increasingly dependent on seamless digital communication. As more satellites are added to the constellation, the network becomes more robust and capable of handling the ever-growing demands of modern internet usage. This forward-thinking approach positions Starlink not just as a temporary fix, but as a long-term solution for global connectivity challenges. Looking ahead, the potential implications of Starlink's success extend far beyond individual users or specific sectors. The advent of such a transformative technology is poised to reshape the broader landscape of global communications and economic development. By providing high-speed, reliable internet access to regions that were once digitally marginalized, Starlink is unlocking new opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic growth. This shift has the potential to accelerate development in emerging markets and empower communities to participate more fully in the global digital economy. In essence, Starlink is not just about faster internet, it's about creating a more connected, equitable world where geographic boundaries no longer determine one's access to information and opportunity. As we conclude this exploration, it becomes clear that Starlink's innovative approach is redefining what it means to be connected in the 21st century. Its advantages over traditional broadband, ranging from superior speed and reduced latency to unparalleled global coverage, make it a compelling choice for a wide range of users and sectors. Whether you are a rural resident yearning for reliable service, an entrepreneur seeking to tap into global markets, or an emergency response coordinator preparing for the unforeseen, Starlink offers a revolutionary alternative that promises to transform the way we experience the internet. The benefits are multifaceted and far-reaching, touching everything from personal productivity to global economic inclusion, and its impact is only set to grow in the coming years. In today's ever-evolving digital landscape, where connectivity is as essential as any basic utility, Starlink stands out as a beacon of innovation and progress. It challenges the status quo of traditional broadband by offering an accessible, efficient, and forward-thinking solution to one of the most pressing challenges of our time, the need for reliable, high-speed internet access everywhere, regardless of location. As we navigate a future where digital communication becomes increasingly intertwined with every facet of life, the role of technologies like Starlink will only become more significant. For anyone seeking to break free from the limitations imposed by conventional infrastructure, Starlink provides not just a service, but a gateway to new possibilities and endless opportunities. Thank you for joining this deep dive into why Starlink is revolutionizing internet connectivity and why it might just be the superior choice over traditional broadband. As we continue to witness rapid advancements in satellite technology and global communication, staying informed about these developments is more important than ever. Whether you're a technophile, an entrepreneur, a policymaker, or simply a curious mind, the story of Starlink offers a glimpse into a future where connectivity is universal, resilient, and empowering. Stay tuned for more insights and in-depth analyses as we explore the technologies that are shaping our world, one satellite at a time.